Last February 24 and 25, we have rebuilding the Ministry of Men's Ministry, no, through the fellowship and gathering. At yun nga, napakasaya kasi talagang we are intentional in rebuilding those ministries. So we will give certificates. Pastor, pasok po kayo dito. Now, nasa certificate is certificate of participation, proudly presented to for his active and valuable participation during the conduct of Men's Fellowship held on February 24 to 25, 2023 at Bakasyonan Resort and Conference Center, Tanay Rizal. Given this 26th day of March 2023 at Christ Church in Makati, signed Pastor June Rodis, Senior Pastor, CCM, and Chairman of Men's Ministry, Brother Romel Ilagan. So proudly presented to our Chairman, Romel Ilagan. Ayan. Ayan. So nakita niyo yung aming niya. Ayan o. Now, Danilo A. Heli. Ayan. Kaya mga ladies, kita nyo sigasig ditong mga core group dito, completers natin. Yan. Basta dito ka. Yan, ikaw magbibigay ng certificate. Oh, yan. Brother Elmer Suarez. Brother Emil Gonzalez. Brother Michael Bitug. Yan. Ang nakikita nyo po sa harap ay ito po ang men's core, no, sa ating men's ministry. At ang chairman po ay itong nasa gitna, nakapolo na dark, light blue, si Kuya Romel. Siya po ang ating men's chairman. Then, for myself, Pastor June, ayan. Kit Suarez. Kay Junjun, Romel Pesanya Jr., Junjun, Darwin Doctolero, Kirk Rainier Bultron, Noel Fernandez. Yan. Ito, Noel Fernandez, grabe ito. Walang sakit-sakit ng tuhod sa aming obstacle course. Jan Marby Cramel, Mark Anthony, no? Jose Romel Besana, Senyor. Jose Luis Jols Colliantes. Wala. Nasa Jols. Michael Murillo. Jan Gabriel. Jan. Si Jan Paul Cagas. Wala rin. Josiah Gonzalez, Ariel de Guzman, Sean Bitug, ang aming youngest, no? Kasama namin, pinaka-baby sa men, Enar Bultron, Alec de Guzman, Jan Kaiser Balat, and Jetro de Asis. Yan. In all is 32. 32 po ang umate ng ating conference. So, yan, picture. Oh, Kuya Robert, hawakan niyo lang. Adjust. Oh, mga ladies, challenge you. Yan, mga certificate natin. Yan, so get up.